We spend hours of time on the way every day. The traffic slows us down. The exhaust polluted the air we breathe. We need a new way to reach every place in the city anytime, freely. Meet Mantour X, the next generation e-scooter that gives you the freedom like never before. Mantour X has a unique inbuilt self-balance algorithm, which enables it always to stay up straight and move forward smoothly. When folded up vertically, you simply engage the follow mode, which powers the front wheel and allows it to roll obediently along beside you. So, when you need to take the subway or step into a building, it will never bother you to carry the scooter. Just hold it and walk fast. No effort required. The use of carbon fiber and aluminum has resulted in a record-breaking 16 pounds. When folded, it can be easily carried around and stored almost anywhere. You can lift it easily with just one hand, which makes it ideal for all members of the family every day. Mantour X is designed to be efficient and for performance. Mantour X is capable of running under the maximum speed of 12.4 miles per hour with a 220-pound payload. The secret behind all that is the built-in 240-watt motor. The potent and efficient motor brings Mantour X to life and to the meeting that you are about to be late. After fully charged, Mantour X can range up to 12.4 miles without stopping. It can take you to half-marathon's finish line if possible. Mantour X puts safety first all the time. Your scooter is equipped with both an electric brake for low-speed braking and a physical brake for high-speed braking that allows you to have precision control over your braking performance. A bright LED headlight completes the package, lighting your way home on even darkest night. Mantour X is unique and outstanding among the e-scooter market. We produced the first batch of Mantour X. Our team rides it every day. Please back our campaign and help us introduce this fantastic innovation to the world.
Electric scooters are quickly becoming a fun and convenient means of transportation all around the world. Meeting up with friends, commuting to work, or a nice Saturday cruise is made easier and more enjoyable. However, due to a lack of good suspension systems, most electric scooters on the market are uncomfortable to ride, making uneven roads and bumps a pain to ride through. To solve this problem, we've created the all-terrain SPLACH electric scooters, designed with aviation-grade aluminum and a highly flexible front and rear suspension system that can be manually adjusted according to the individual's weight, comfort, and road conditions. The SPLACH suspension system has excellent elasticity and toughness. With a max payload of up to 265 pounds. Our powerful 800-watt motor, combined with our state-of-the-art suspension system, gives the rider the opportunity to not just ride, but to fly. It could accelerate to 25 miles per hour and could travel over 30 miles before needing a charge. Even steep slopes of up to 25 degrees are no match for the SPLACH electric scooter. The direction handle can rotate up to 120 degrees, making turning corners a breeze. SPLACH features front and rear drum brake systems for maximum user control and safety. The undercarriage LED lighting system flashes neon colors that not only look beautiful, but keep you safe during nighttime cruising. The exclusive SPLACH card makes it so only you could use the scooter. When you're done using it, turn off the scooter and lock it from starting. There's an opening in the back that allows you to attach your own lock, doubling its protection from theft. And when you're ready to fly, use the card to unlock it and take off. Once you're done riding, it can be folded in about 10 seconds to easily fit in a trunk or closet. And at only 39 pounds, it can be lifted and transported by anyone. With a powerful motor, user-friendliness, great safety features, and an anti-theft system, the SPLACH scooter is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Hop on a SPLACH and start flying today.
No. No. Here. No. Cut. No.